Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as a part of this exercise, I need to select a random table topic. Okay, the table topic for today is the world is a smaller place these days. The world is a smaller place these days. Absolutely, it is. It is a small place, and with the invention of the internet, in uh, the world has become big family. You can reach to anyone, you can talk to anyone. Let's pause for a moment and appreciate this moment, the human history that achieved. Right? People are flying one part of the world to another part of world like within 3 to 5 hours. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that magnificent? So right now you are watching this video in other parts of the world. It's you can stay connected, you can talk to, just think about the ancient times when it was very difficult to go a different part of the world, explore the world. You need to go on the ships, and that journey lasted for months, years. When you reach to a different world, now become easier. The whole world has become a one small place. You can talk to anyone, you can be with anyone. In my opinion, that world is becoming a better place day by day. Yes, it has lots of downsides. It has become worse in many things that we see, but it has also become good in other aspects as well. So we need to appreciate that. Uh, that's why, yes, I believe that world has become a smaller place these days, where you can talk to anyone anywhere in the world. You just need internet. And so that's it for today. Thank you. Over to you.